Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos and I'm back with another video. I am going to be creating a geode or a geode-esque painting, since mine are a little less defined, on a wood slice. And I just have to give a little shout out to Abstract Boss for recommending making geodes on wood slices. I think I'm a little obsessed with them now, and I just love making them on these. These really lend themselves to creating something rather special, and they can be hung, they can be placed on a dresser or in a stand, so they are very versatile. So this is the one I just created. It's called Golden Waters. Love it. I used some rose gold in it and lots of blues and a little bit of greens here and there. I did this one on my deck. I've been trying to work on my deck as much as possible. Today is very humid, so I can't work outside. So I'm going to create it in here and do my usual suiting up with my Tyvek suit and my mask. And I just wanted to show you a couple of things before we begin. One is that I always prep these by sealing them, and this is what I use. I use triple thick polyurethane, and I do both sides. I don't do more than one layer, only because it is triple thick. It's supposed to be only one coat that you put on. I haven't seen any difference by putting more than one coat, so far so good. You have to be careful with these. If you get one that has the wood, you know, the holes in the wood, you want to kind of fill those in with the polyurethane as well, which I have done on these, or as much as possible, because then you'll have issues with your resin. But the resin will go right through there. I have a couple of these that the hole goes right to the other side, so it should be interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Another thing I wanted to show you was that I am using some crushed glass from Michaels. It's like, I think it's called decorative filler or something like that. And I started to tint them recently with alcohol inks, and that works really well. I can't remember who I saw doing that, so I really can't give credit, but it's not my idea. I saw someone doing it and thought, oh, that's, or maybe someone commented and said it would be a good idea. It could be one of my followers who commented and left that on one of my videos. So thank you for that, whoever you are. I started tinting these actually a couple of days ago. They dry really fast, so you don't even have to wait that long. Let me just show you. This color right here is, let's see, this is Mermaid by Ranger ink. And this one is Denim, also by Tim Holtz Ranger ink. And this one here, which is, oh my god, amazing. I think I'm going to use this one in my next geode for this video. This one says navy, but to me it's like this gorgeous royal blue. And I love that color. So I just want to do one right on camera just so you can see. I'm going to take this out of the way, because someone had asked me to do it on camera. So basically what you do, I'm going to take, let's see, I'm going to do this one, which is Sailboat Blue. And all I'm doing is putting a few drops in there. And a little goes a long way. And I'm stirring. How nice that is. That gives me a much lighter blue than this one. Almost like an ocean blue. And you really want to get in there and stir. Although I like that some of them stay white. It kind of looks cool. So I'm not very interested in saturating every single one. I think having that variety in the center of your geode or wherever you put it is kind of cool. I am going to put just a little bit more. Ooh. And I got some on my table. So the way to clean that up is with alcohol. So wipes it right off. Okay, so now I'm thinking of using these two in this next geode and similar colors. I also wanted to show you a couple of new things I bought. This is just really like general chit chat. I bought some Artist-Sue powder pigments. I got them through Artists Till Death, and they sell those on their website. I also have electric blue, so I'm thinking of definitely using these blues in this next geode. I also have a, let's see, where is it? A blue steel by Artist-Sue. This is pretty awesome. Look at that color. So gorgeous. And I have a sky blue by Color Obsession. I have a fuchsia, which I'm not going to use in this one, but this is a new one I just bought. This is a powder pigment by Artist-Sue. This is a royal purple by Artist-Sue. Can't really see how it's going to look inside of the resin until you put it in and put it on your painting. And then I also bought this very gorgeous purple passion color, also by Artist-Sue. And recently I bought the Mayron Rose Gold, which I really love and which you just saw in the geode. I also bought Color Obsession Bonaire Blue. See if I can show you what that looks like. And the Palladium Blue by Artist-Sue. Awesome. I also bought a African Violet color by Color Obsession. This is the paste. Let me see if there's anything else. I think I went a little nuts. This is, oh actually this is just a Pearl X color. I bought a set of the Pearl X. Oh, and this is another purple. This is Iridescent Violet. Ooh. It's spilling all over the place. Yeah, this is the navy blue. And this is a paste. I hope it's not drying. Oh, no, it's not. The smell on these is a little strong, I have to say. Super strong. I don't know if I could deal with that smell, to be honest, but I will see. I'm not saying it's not a good brand or anything like that, but you know, if I can't, like seriously, I have this open right now and I can't have it open. Like it's that bad. Like it's really bad. Woo. Okay, so those are some of the goodies I recently bought. Okay, so this is what I've settled on. I'm going to use the Fantasy Blue, the Electric Blue, the Aqua Bombay Ink, India Ink, the Casting Craft Opaque White Pigment, the Bonaire Blue by Color Obsession, and the Sky Blue by Color Obsession. I'm also going to be using silver glitter, this blue glitter, possibly these silver flakes by Finnabair. I'm going to use these clear crushed glass. I'm going to use this color. This was the one I just mixed. And I'm going to use this one. All right, so let's get started. So I just want to point out that my resin was way too thin during the making of this geode, and my surface was not level. So the paint, or rather the resin, was flowing down the bottom, and I wasted a lot of resin in this project. So in the future, I might let it set up more, as in let it sit in the cups longer. My only concern with that is that they will heat up in the cup. Sometimes that happens when it starts to cure in the cup. Another thing I could do, I think Artist Till Death mentioned, or Erika from Artist Till Death mentioned perhaps putting more pigment in her resin to make it a little thicker. So I might want to try that next time. I do like the whole flowy aspect of things and seeing where that goes, but I don't like wasting so much of my resin. And as you can see, it's just flowing right off of the surface. But I'm sharing the video anyway because I often learn so much when people share their fails and their mistakes. And so if I can show you mine and help you not to make them, that would be great. And in the end, this geo does turn out quite lovely. I'm actually thinking of doing a second layer to it, but as it stands, I think I really like the way it came out. So enjoy, and I hope you find something of value.